A very warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. Please don't forget to comment and like, and if it's your first time tuning in, kindly do subscribe. Thank you. So, guys, Mabati internet really does not forget. They mean in this case scenario. There was a time Lakona Umakadzi was performing on stage, and then ngotholakala sekufika Oscar Mbo alongside with his team bamkhatha short while she was still performing. I think performer for about 20 minutes or so bafika ba remove her USB as a stage guys nje waphoxakala uMakhadzi. So then Oscar Mbo naye with his side of the story, what to know, Omakati was apparently late for that gig and then bekasa performing his sakhe. Na Makati sambona shemgosi amavela and then sent out an apology to her fans. Bandu bathi no, we do not take that one. Oscar Mbo undermining nje Makati. Bathi your day baba is coming and his day had arrived gay. Magat folagala naye a performer at a certain gig and people just ignored him laphayana guys. Yati abazange futhi nje bathule, he was not performing to a dead crowd. Instead, these fans bativulele nje yabe concert, bativulela their own circle, bacala baticulela nje tingoma tabo tema veteran, baculela nje tingoma tabo tem zabalazo and many other songs, and you could just tell these people are enjoying it. Abating artists to entertain them. There was no need for him laphaya nje bamshayisele ngomoya, and siyambona Oscar Mbo ukuthi ugcine naye sekacima even music wakhe and just trying to understand ukuthi hayibo, what's happening guys, Dintang, why am I not being entertained? Why are these people ignoring me? Siyambona Mosinjena ku video which is asking one of the guys standing next to him ukuthi hi, what's happening guys, like inyendeni ngiba offende ngane, why are they ignoring me? So then nje bantu bashilo bathi no, Oscar Mbo man nje ego yakhe it's at his own level, and sometimes uvamsile ukuthi abo arrogant kuletinye tinvo takhona nje, and people were really emphasizing on the issue yakhe namakhadzi. You are welcome into the comment section to share your views. Thank you.